Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my holiday gift guide for you guys. So if you haven't already purchased all of your gifts, please stay tuned. So my first gift is going to be these house slippers. Now these are Jessica Simpson house slippers and they are super soft. Everybody loves a pair of house slippers. They have these in a pink color and they also have these in gray. Another gift is going to be the house slippers for men, because men always need house slippers as well. So I got these and they are from the brand Saddlebred, and these are the memory foam indoor outdoor slippers. Now with both of these are indoor outdoor, so if you have to run outside, get the trash can, bring it back, put it in the garage. So this is a great gift for the men in your life. This time of the year is great for wearing robes. So I did pick up a robe for my husband, and this is the Izod robe. Now I did already take this out of the packaging, and I think they have 3 different colors to choose from. I think they have blue, they have black, and they have red. So I did pick out the red one for my husband because one of his favorite colors is red. So this is it right here. It's super plush, super soft, and who doesn't need a new robe this Christmas season, you guys? So what I do like about this is one size fits all. And I made him try it on just to make sure that it fit him. So it did fit. And this was on a great sale. Originally this was $60. I think I got this for maybe like $20, so that was a steal. So this is always a great gift for your father, for your husband, for your brother, for your friend, for everybody. If you have any teenagers, especially those who love makeup. This is the SL Miss Glam Stay Sparkly, and this is their mermaid brush book, you guys. Now I do like the packaging. It's nice. It is super shiny. Brushes themselves, they look like this. And then over here you get some eye brushes. And then behind it, you get some more eye brushes, some more eye brush / face brushes. And then right here, you get some more face brushes. So you do get a ton of makeup brushes. The brushes look like this, and they have 2 little jewels on there, and they also have a little mermaid, some macaroons, some candies and cookies on there, which is super cute. I'm sure whomever that you get this for, they will be ecstatic that you got it. Another great gift is going to be these little gift sets from Laneige. Now they have this gift set that you can find. They sent me this, and I must say that I really do like their products. They keep my lips nice and moist, and I love the fact that you can get these in gift sets. You do get a sleeping mask with this, and they smell so good, you guys. And you also get a lip glowy balm as well for the daytime. So no gift guide would be complete without me going over some smell goods, because you guys know I love perfumes, colognes, I love all of that stuff. So Good Chemistry was nice enough to send me some new smell goods, and smell goods are pretty much good for everybody. Now what I like about these scents are they're super affordable, and you can find them pretty much everywhere. The first one they sent me is going to be Daydreamer, and this is a perfume with essential oils. So the bottle looks like this. Now this will be perfect for your mother, for your auntie, for your grandmother. A nice perfume. Who doesn't love it? Now this smells so good. This is like an everyday scent, you guys. It smells a little sweet. What I love most about Good Chemistry is that even though they're affordable, they do stay on your skin all day long, and you don't have to keep reapplying it. The next one that I have is going to be called Bluebell. This one says that it is sunny plus optimistic with bright intentions. So I really do love their sayings. They're so cute. So the packaging looks like this. Very pretty packaging. This one smells really nice and light and airy. And all of their scents smell very good for everyday wear. So if you're going to work, going to school, whatever you do, these scents aren't super strong and they don't irritate my senses at all. So I really do like that about the product. So this one's called Bluebell. And the last one is called Jasmine Rose. The packaging for this is super cute, you guys. It smells really nice. Now this says that it has bergamot, jasmine, and musk. Now this one would be a great one for a night out on the town, a date night, something like that. I would definitely pick this one up for that. But they all smell really great. They're super affordable, you guys, so be sure to check them out. All right, guys, so another perfume that I have and that was sent to me is going to be from Cher, you guys. Can you believe Cher has a fragrance? This is Cher's fragrance and it's called Cher. So the packaging is so cute, you guys. So this would be another great gift for a mother, for a wife, for a girlfriend. They would love this fragrance. I would say this one is more of a sexy scent. So if you want to be sexy and you're having a sexy date night, sexy night out for a town, pick this one up. It's very rich. Now this Cher says it has vibrant notes of bergamot, nearly met with intimate florals of jasmine and rose, and smoke and spice of sandalwood and clove, in all captivating. I would say get this one for yourself. If you have a husband, tell him to pick this up for you because this stuff smells so good, you guys. The Cher perfume. Another great gift idea is going to be the Clarins Advent Calendar, which is right here. So this is a great Advent calendar because if you love Clarins, you're going to love this Advent calendar. There are 24 days packed with Clarins items, and Clarins is like a really good brand. You guys see me use Clarins on some of my videos. I love the brand. Products pretty much speak for themselves. They're really good products. And so they have this calendar right here. Now on the back of this outer box, they tell you, they describe everything that you'll be getting in here. And then on the side, it is right there. You can see all of the pictures. Packaging is really cute. This is it. And if you do get this calendar later, you still get the products that's inside, so you're not missing out on anything. And I'm just going to open up a couple for you guys so you guys can see some of the products that you'll be getting. So I guess I'm going to start with day number 1. There's a little item right there. So let's see what this is. And I do like the items. They're really cute. You can just pop them in your purse, some of them. And this is going to be a water lip satin, which is great. I love their lip items. Their lip items are really nice, you guys. So let's go for day number 2, which is right here. And these items are super cute. So this is a SOS Hydro Mask. All of the items aren't going to be little, so let me find a bigger one to open for you guys. And I think I'm going to open number 7 right here. So look how big that one is. Like, you do get some really big items. Like, that's pretty big. And this is an exfoliating body scrub for a smooth skin. And I really do like Advent calendars because they give you little items you probably wouldn't even get. You can try out everything. So you get everything in an Advent calendar. And I've always wanted an Advent calendar. And I finally got one this year. So I was super ecstatic to get this one this year for myself. So this is another great gift idea for the loved one in your life. Since it is the holidays and you'll be having a lot of family around for Christmas and New Year's, I would definitely say pick up a game for family game night. Since my husband is like a super Scrabble board lover, I had to get him this ridiculously big Scrabble board that's super heavy, you guys. For Christmas. Here it is right here. I saw this Scrabble board at Home Goods, and once I saw it, I knew that I had to get this for him because they don't have these out all year round. So when you see them and they're deluxe like this, check them out and get them immediately. Well worth it, because this is a surprise for him because he has no idea that I actually got him this. But I'm gonna let him open this one up earlier before Christmas, so when the family comes over, we all can play a game of Scrabble. So that'll be fun. So that's just a nice gift just for him to have. They don't have these year round, so when you see it, pick it up. All right guys, so the next couple of products that I'm going to show are going to be kind of on the expensive side. So my husband needed a new laptop because his MacBook Pro was dying because he had it for over 10 years and that thing worked so well for that laptop to be over 10 years old and it still worked like that. I had to get him another one, but he didn't want just any one. He wanted this one. So I got it for him in space gray. He's been waiting on this new laptop for years now. I could not stop there because he also wanted speaker system for the MacBook Pro. So during Black Friday, Clips had their, I think, 40 to 50% off sale, and I was able to get some Clips speakers for him. And you guys know, if you watch my movie room tour, you guys know that he absolutely goes bonkers over Clip speakers. So I had to get him these speakers right here. They were only $120 during Black Friday. They sit on the desk beautifully. They were easy to hook up. They play nice and loud, so they are great. That would be a great gift for a brother, somebody that's into computers a lot and they play a lot of computer games. And even if they don't play a lot of computer games, they like listening to music. That's a great gift for someone in your life. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little gift guide. Let me know what you're getting your family members, friends for the holiday season. Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.